Okay, welcome back. Now this is the video. Then we want to place the translation benefit. Then after you have listed, you go back to your text. Then you will now be copying it one after the other. Then you go back and you copy it. Then you shift it downward. Can you see it? Then you go forth. No? Let me delete it. Copy it. Let me get copy, and you shift it downward. Yes, shift it downward. Place this one at the top. No, let me delete this one. Let me first move. It's okay like this. Then this one downward. Then I'll now go back to the translation. Verily, we have warned you. I click on this. Verily, we have warned you. Copy. Then I'll come back here, edit. I'll delete in as I now come. Then I'll paste the meaning. Verily, we have warned you. Then I'll come back here again. Then Azaban Koriba, I'll copy, I'll move downward, then move this one to the top, then place this one. Then I'll now go back to the translation of a near torment. Then I'll copy, then I'll go and paste, edit, delete this. No, you can delete. Azaban Koriba, how much I copy it? Azaban Koriba, then copy. This is the Bennett. Then edit, delete this, and paste the translation of anatomy. Then وَيَقُولُ الْكَافِرُ يَا لَيْتَنِي. Then you will still copy this one. Move to the top. Then copy. Move to the down. Then you do copy, then go back again and edit. Let me see the one I want to, okay, the Bennett one. Edit, then paste. Then you can shoot it. Can you see? Then وَيَقُولُ الْكَافِرُ يَا لَيْتَنِي. Then shift to the top. Then copy again. Move down. Then copy. Move down. Then edit. Again, you delete it. You delete, then paste. Also, then you adjust, you move, then move to down also. Then you have done with that. Then we can now change the font of our translation. I'll go back to edit. Then I'll go to the font. Then I can now change it to any font